20142 6th Place Northeast, Shoreline, Washington. We're doing a camera inspection sitting in the manhole out in the street at the end of the cul-de-sac, or dead end, what have you. We're going to pull back from here and record as we go. Zeroing out my footage. So we're coming back through 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Look at this together. So you see that erosion line's a little lower down there compared to the 4-inch. Not as bad out here. And you have more drop than on property, so it moves faster. That is our 4x6 transition right there. We're in 4-inch pipe, as you can see on this side. On the other side of here, that is 6-inch. We're going to go locate this really quick, pausing the video. That is
and residual income coming in. So.
Alright, we located this 5 feet deep in the front yard. I'm going to zero my footage out again. Get a count on the 4-inch pipe. An eye out for tie-ins just to make sure it wouldn't be lining over anything. Yeah, you can see how much higher that erosion line is all the way up halfway, and that's just rough aggregate.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, that I could see how bad the pipe was eroded.
Yeah.
And then at some of this, you'll see where it's actually cracked, like right there. It looks like you can see it crack back. Oh, sorry. No, right there. See right there? Is that not a crack?
Right there?
No, I was thinking right here.
Yeah, there's a small crack. Yeah, it's pretty small, but that's a crack.
Yeah, and when you pull back farther, you'll see a bigger crack in the center.
I think the biggest problem was that offset right at that turn under that bush.
Okay.
That was the biggest, because if it's that severe now, who's telling what that'll look like in 5-10 years. That's why that would be the best place to dig to replace that and line all the pipe that's not offset. Big one right there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where I think that's where they're only talking about replacing from there to the... Because they only said 10 feet. Which didn't quite make sense to me.
Here's the turn. That's the one with the big offset with the roots
and that's
coming in.
where I was thinking, yeah, when I saw
And that's where we would dig. That's right under that little bush.
Okay.
And then coming back, we should hit that other turn. Just want to make sure there's no open. Now that concerns me. There's a tie-in on the top.
Well, maybe that's that hole that we see from the top then. You want me to go try dropping water in there?
The downspout?
That one place that we saw that.
Yeah, let's try it. Pausing the video. Alright. So we ran some water down a hole over there and it does not come in here. So I believe that is an old stand pipe for a clean out. Well, that's right under the sidewalk there. And then this is our cast iron. So we got 52 feet of 4-inch concrete pipe out there. Then it's cast iron coming back through here. Decent looking cast. Definitely different from that other job. Less salt water over here.
Someplace you should look, yes, if I remember right.
Yeah, right before we get over here. Right there.
So there. So that you cannot get under here. 4 feet of the house. You can't get under here in the property. It's another concrete wall.
It doesn't have an opening.
Yeah, so you can get under.